Good morning. I'm Dr. J. Srehu, Principal Vivekananda Public School, Piravam in Ernakulam district of Kerala. Today, the branch subject of love is dedication. Dedication to work. Dedication to work is a devotion or setting aside the scheduled time that you are required to work each day consistently without fail as well as be on time and giving 100% of your efforts to doing quality work. Say, for example, an opening ceremony for a new charity organization is done by a dedication only. For writing a book in honor of the author's parents is due to dedication. This is nothing but the act of dedication. Your work is needed a dedication. For that, some tips I may like to give. Show up on time, getting to work and meetings on time shows you have a strong time management and its skills and value your colleagues' time. Be a helpful resource. Meet the deadlines and milestones. Ask always smart questions. Seek the feedback. Create a positive company culture. A country's greatest resource is the dedication of its workers. A job requires a lot of enthusiasm, dedication, and self-sacrifice. I owe my life to the bravery and dedication of the rescue services. So, to devote oneself to a particular course of action is nothing but the dedication. Or to allocate someone or something to a particular cause is nothing but dedication. To show one's affection for someone by naming them as the beginning of a book is nothing but a dedication. To commit or pledge something to a religious entity or intention is nothing but a dedication. The word dedication, I feel it is first appeared in 14th century in Spanish language. Sorry, Latin, yes. Latin past participative dedicare, to dedicate. The secular context of dedication is defined as the state of being committed to someone, a ceremony for the beginning of something, like a birth of a child, something written, said, expressed in honor or memory of someone. So dedication is much needed one to express the inner love. Thank you.